Hello friends, welcome back. So in last video we have learned about Azure portal and dashboard overviews, and in this video we are going to learn about Cloud Shells, how to use Cloud Shell and how to access the Cloud Shell features, and what is the requirements for Cloud Shell in Azure portals. So let's go on Azure portal and log in with your account ID which you have created already. If you don't have, then you can create and check. So let's click on Cloud Shell features which I have already told you yesterday. So click on Cloud Shell. So whenever we are going to create Cloud Shells, then it have requirements for a storage accounts. Like you can see the message, you have no storage mounted. Azure Cloud Shell require an Azure file share to persist files like log files and any other files. So you can it will ask you the subscription type, which subscription you are using here. Like I'm using free trial, it will show you the free trial. If you have another subscription, then it will show you the your subscription type here. Okay, one more thing, if you want to create manually, then you can also create here. You have to enter the details here, like subscription types, Cloud Shell regions, in which region you want to create, resource group, in which resource group you want to create, and storage account name, which name you want to give your resource names, and about your file share names. So you can create here, and also you can just click on the create here options, and it will create automatically with the default configurations. I'm click on create and it's showing the message it's creating. So your storage account is creation is in a process. So let's go here once and click on storage account. So you can see there is no storage account here till now. You can see here there is no storage account mapped. So once your account is created here, so after some time you can check and refresh here you will get the storage account here. So let's wait for some time and click on refresh. Click on refresh again. It will take some time to get reflect here. Yes, you can see it is created a storage account. That is the name of the storage account, and that is the type of storage account, and kinds of storage is storage v2. Storage v2 is the latest version of the storage account. And resource group name, by default it's select the Cloud Shell storage central, and location is central India. And what is the subscription type here? Your sub free trial which we are using. If you want to pin it from on dashboard, you can pin it here. If you want to edit tag, then also you can add the tag here. So let's go on Azure Cloud Shell feature. We have opened the Cloud Shell feature here. So you will get the two option here, like yesterday I have already told you. In Microsoft Azure Cloud Shell we will get two options. One is PowerShell, for which is usable for Windows features, and second one is Bash, which is compatible with the Linux. So who is expert in PowerShell, they are using PowerShell. Who is expert in uh, Bash, they are using PowerShell features here. So if you want to switch in Bash, then you can drop down here and click on Bash. You will get the Bash windows. And if you want to use PowerShell, you can use the PowerShell here. So like I will click on Bash, it will show you the switch to Bash in Cloud Shell. Switching will reconnect through the same container with the new Bash sessions. Any running process in active PowerShell session will go to the background. So if there is any process we have implement deploy in our PowerShell, then it will automatically going to run in backend. That will not go to close. So like I will click on confirm, then you will get the window for Bash. Like you can see the Bash window here, and you can work on Bash window also. Like if you want to see your account list here, account details, like I will show other Bash in Azure Cloud Shells. So if you want to check list of your accounts in here, type the command az account show and enter. Then you will get the details of your account details like subscription environment names, Azure names, and home tenant ID is this, and your subscription ID is this. Subscription type is name is free trials, state enables, tenant ID is this. So you will get the details like aged account list, and it will show you the list of accounts if you have multiple account with the subscriptions. Like if you have multiple subscription in your portal, then you will get the all details here. Okay, so similar we can check the details in PowerShell also. Switch to PowerShell, confirm, and once go into the PowerShell, you can check the your subscription detail here also. Like type the command get age, type get aged, and one more thing you have to do, type these three characters in capital. If you type these characters in small, then it will not take the commands. Get aged subscription and enter. You will get the details here like your subscription name, free trial, and ID is this, tenant ID is this, and status is enable. Like if I'm going to type this command in small letters, get aged subscription. Sorry, that's also working. So you can use PowerShell like this, and also I have show you the bash. And second option is if we are getting some issues while using PowerShell or bash, then you can also restart the Cloud Shell option. You can just click on here and click on restart. You will get restart your PowerShell like we are rebooting your Windows, Linux machines. Similar kinds of that, it will reboot your Cloud Shell. And after that is your feature is help. If you require any help related to Cloud Shell, then you can get the help from here. And another option is setting. If you want to configure any test font size and test size, and if you want to feedback here, then you can click on here. So there is lots of options here we can use. And one more thing, you can create any resources here. Like if you want to create any VM, if you want to create any VPC, if you want to create any database, you can manage everything from your Cloud Shell features. So let's see. Yeah, that is up again. You can check again. AZ, sorry, get AZ subscription. Enter. You can get the details again there. So in this video, we have learned about Cloud Shell and how to use the PowerShell and Bash. And in next video, we will learn about how to create the virtual machine through Cloud Shell and Bash version. So keep watching guys and subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the notifications. So thank you guys.